Here I have on our 10X Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to disable always on display feature on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the display brightness section, and here you have this sleep feature. If you set it on the never, then you have the always on display turned on. But if you set it on other, like 15-second period or 5-minute period, you will turn off this feature, and after 2 minutes your display will automatically turn off. So which means that always on display is disabled, because it's not always turned on. It turns off after 2 minutes, obviously. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.